Hi guys, today I want to show you how to share locally hosted Jenkins publicly via internet in a secure way. So here I'm using a Zrok tool to solve our issue. So everyone has an issue like issue or kind of mean to share their locally hosted things in publicly or your friends to work on the same thing. So just I want to raise a point on this like here I'm using Xerox tool to solve this issue. So coming to here, I was using a Mac machine, and so I have already installed Jenkins in my local. So using a brief commands. So here you can see that the formula how to use the brew command to install Jenkins locally, and yeah. Just I will show you the services which are I mean like which are running in local of mine. So I mean which are installed in mine. So here the Jenkins and SonarQube was installed in my local using brew command. So just I will start Jenkins here to show you guys. So as of now, by default, Jenkins will run on localhost 8080 port by default. So here you can see that it's not yet started yet. So I will just use the brew services start Jenkins. So yeah, it's successfully started and it will running under the background. So just I will again trigger it again. So here you can see that Jenkins was running and successfully we are able to launch in the localhost 8080 port. Yep. Now so here is the point as I need to share this local host to with my friends who is in another computer who want to access my local host Jenkins or something other than Jenkins as well. You want to share Sonar, you want to share your DB or your local files, anything else. So we can solve this issue by using a open source tool called Xerox. So here you can invite. This is very easy, like Xerox invite, Xerox enable, and Xerox share. So you need to know more about three commands. So you can come across this, and you can do play around this, and you can easily share your work in secure way. So just I will start with this. So anyhow, it's locally running, and just I want to make it as a public and with the secure way. So yeah. So here is a download option. Go to the downloads. So yeah, so it's navigating to downloads. Meanwhile, so there is a getting started page where you can see how to start with the Xerox and everything, and come to downloads here. And so mine was a Mac mission, so I usually download this file to this. And as of now, the version is 0.3.1, which was the latest one. So according to your mission, so someone uses Linux and Windows. According to that, you can download it. So just I was downloading here, and it was a lightweight, so 13.5 MB, so you can download easily and go to downloads and move to your that is your wish, like whether to move to any particular folder or not. So just in my case, I was using a folder, so where I usually have a particular organization. So come to the terminal now and navigate to so this folder. Yeah. So we are now in the folder. Yep. Okay. So let's check whether Xerox is working or not. Just I will check for version. Sorry, mistake. Zero version. So it's showing it's working fine now. So yeah. So the next step is you want to invite to the Xerox site. So there is a command called Xerox invite. Yeah. So when you pass this command, it will ask for email ID. Just you can give your email ID. So as of mine was this is the email ID, and confirm the same email ID. and submit now. Super. So invitation sent to this email ID. So go to this email and check the invitation. So you can see that the invitation came here and click on create account. So it will navigate to the page where it been like set your password and confirm password. So here I was setting my password. Yeah. So you are proceed to Xerox portal. So login and email is password. So enable yourself. Use the below command. So go to the Xerox web portal. So you can enter your registered email ID and password and click on login. So here you can see that you are able to log into the Xerox site, and as of now there is no missions connected to here. And coming to here, there is nothing. So just here we will connect our mission, enable your environment. So there is a command called Xerox enable this command. So this is the token which is provided by the Xerox. So just copy the command and come to your command line here and enter it. So it shows me it been already enabled. So it should work. So just I will disable and again re-enable it. So Xerox environment is disabled. So again I will pass the same command. So connecting to Xerox service. So let's see so whether it's connected or not. So here you can see that my Mac machine is connected to this environment. So yep, so connection is success. So then the next step is like, so the main aim of this is like, so I want to share my local host via publicly. So just so no one from other system cannot access this local host, right? So I want to make this easy. So there is a command zrok share public and copy this URL and paste it here. Yeah. So we are running this local host in a public. So come to this site. So here you can see that local host was connected and it been shared via internet in secure way. So it been given us a public URL with the HTTPS and code. So copy this URL and send to the user who needs to access this. But as of now, it's a public, so it can be accessed by anyone. But when you run the same command with private, so the person who has a zero account can only access this particular URL. So we have to share this token, the person who needs to share this. So as of it's an use case, I was publicly making this accessible. So just I will click on now. So it's working now. You can see. So yeah, so you can see that I was able to log in as well. So you can share with via public internet. So it been like working. So here you can see that what the commands which you used. So suppose so we went to somewhere in page. So you want to click on build history. So you can see that it triggers what are the requests it been clicking by the users and everything. So everything can be tracked. So yeah, so this is how you can share your local hosted Jenkins via public internet in safe and secure way by using Xerox. Yeah. So if you want more information, you can go to this Xerox website. They have been clearly given documentation and many use cases and everything. So you can go and check their documents, and it will be very helpful for every DevOps engineer or role developer or as part of dev operations needed. Yeah, so not only Jenkins, you can share your locally hosted websites, or you can share your locally hosted databases, local shared folders, files, and everything which are large kind of data. So it will be very quick and more unsecure way so in things. will work out. To know more about Xerox, you can go to your Xerox website. So you will come to know how it works and how it really made and everything. So it was very quick and easy how it works and everything. It's made it be hosted on netfoundry openziti product. So it is more privately it will be a good and more secure way of sharing things will happen with the zero. Yeah. So one more thing I just need to show you guys. So suppose if you want to shop steal these things, right, you can cancel this. So you can cancel this, and so where the other users cannot access this website actually. So so I just canceled it. So let's see whether the user is able to access this now. So this is the URL, right? So here you can see that it been loading, but it's not working. So it shows this screen. So where the user cannot access this site. So once if the sharing person cancels these things. So coming to the site, right? So here you can see that it's no more connected here, and so only this machine is connected. Suppose you want to remove your mission, so you can select this and come to see the details. So these are the things you can see the details. So here you can delete your Mac. I mean, what is you connected. So here I'm deleting things. So here you can see that now it's deleted. So now everything is like cleared and no more issues. I mean, no more like main connected to say again. If you do you want again re-enable it, just go to the here and enable your environment. So you can run the same command again and you can connect again here. Yeah, that's how we will share locally hosted Jenkins in a safe and secure way using Xerox. Yeah, yeah, that's all about um, how to install and share with your friends. Yeah, thanks, guys. Happy coding. So if I do any mistakes, please ignore as I was very new to these things. Yeah. Please kindly please subscribe and share my if it's very helpful to anyone. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.